Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fix error code 0x800f081f on your computer. This error is normally happening due to missing or corrupted system files or .NET framework issues. So you can follow these methods to fix your issue. So first you need to download and install .NET 3.5 using your browser. Simply open your browser. Then after tap .NET 3.5, select the official Microsoft website. Select your language and tap on download. It is around 22.7 megabytes. This will once it is downloaded, you can install on your computer. Then restart your computer and try to check if it is working or not. So the next method is you have to go to start menu, then go to setting. Under the system section, scroll down and tap on troubleshoot option. Select other troubleshooters. Select the Windows Update and run. So it will fix the Windows Update related issues. So you have to follow the on-screen instruction to fix the issues related with the Windows Update. The next method is you can go to search bar, type cmd, right click on the command prompt, tap on run as administrator. Now you need to type SFC /scan now and hit enter. Once it is completed, you have to again type DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Make sure use the capital letters like this. Hit enter. This command scan and repair corrupted system file that may cause this error. So the next method is you have to enable .NET framework via Windows features. To do that, first you need to press Windows and R on your keyboard. It will be open run. You need to type app wiz.cpl and hit enter. Tap on turn Windows features on or off. Check the .NET framework 3.5 like this. Then after tap on OK. Also you need to expand the .NET framework 3.5 and enable these two also like this. Tap on OK. Then after restart your computer. So the next method is you have to press Windows and R again. This time you need to type gpedit.msc and hit enter. In the left side menu you have to select computer configuration. Then after go to administrative templates. In the right side menu select the system, or you can use this one also. You have to scroll down and find a specify setting for optional component installation and component repair. Scroll down. Okay, you can see it is right here. Specify setting for optional component installation and component repair. Double click on it. Then set to enabled it and tap on OK. And also check the download repair content and optional features directly from the Windows Update. Finally tap on OK. So the next method is you have to reset Windows Update components. To do that, go to search bar, type cmd, right click on it, tap on run as administrator. First you need to type net stop wuauserv, hit enter. Now you need to type net stop crypt svc, hit enter. Again you need to type net stop bits and hit enter. Finally you need to type net stop msi server and hit enter. Then after you can close this one. Again you need to go to search bar and type cmd, right click on it, tap on run as administrator. Now you need to type ren /windows software distribution old and hit enter. Then you need to type ren c windows system32 catroot to old. This will rename the software distribution and catroot to folders. Once you're done with that, again you need to type net start wuauserv, hit enter. Again type net start crypt svc, hit enter. Again type net start bits, hit enter. Finally net start MSI server and hit enter. Then restart your computer. So these are the methods you can try to fix your 0x800f081f issue. If you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.